1964 Chevrolet C10 regular cab long box at Unique Specialty and Classics. 350 5.7 liter underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Although AC will need some TLC, it is in op at the moment. Automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic, 400 to be exact. Let's take a look at the chrome in the front bumper. Grille painted to match. Exterior of the truck, white exterior with a red and white combination interior, vinyl bucket seat. This will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price, may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Polished wheels, Uniroyal radials. Take a look down the passenger side of this truck. There were a couple little things I did notice in some of the bright work, and a little further down. A little bit of corrosion down underneath. Not bad. Fun one for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Take it out, have a little bit of fun with it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation too. Looks like wood bed with spray-in liner around the outer portions of the bed and above the wheel wells. Let's take a look at the rear chrome bumper. Dual exhaust, as you can see. We're going to start it up here at the end of the video. Let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. And also, if you stick around to the very end of the video, you're going to see this truck driving down the road, kind of take a virtual ride along, if you will. See how it goes down the road. And again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, basically this truck from every angle. Be able to see underneath the hood also. Take a peek at this interior. So again, the red and white combination to highlight the exterior, and again, vinyl bench, seat belts intact, shoulder belts also. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Remember, 5.7 liter V8 paired up with an automatic transmission. There we go, get it fired up, let it warm up here a little bit. Get a look at the rest of the dash. Take a listen to the dual exhaust. Little rumble coming out of that 350. Let's go around to the front here. I'm gonna have to pause this a second so I can get the hood open. We're gonna check out that engine bay. So give me a second, let's get the hood open, we'll check out the engine bay. There we go, the hood popped. There it is. Again, power steering, power brakes, and you can see AC components here. Belts not hooked up. AC would take some TLC. Get that going. Consigner this particular vehicle, so I represent it the way it is and reflect it in the price. So want to make that announcement. 4-barrel Holly on there. Get an idea how it runs. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. 1964 Chevrolet C10 regular cab long box. 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1964 Chevrolet 3100 pickup. This truck is an automatic on the column. Starts up and runs nicely right away. Both our turn signal indicators are working. Good acceleration from this truck. As you can see, the steering wheel is cocked to the side a bit, but that doesn't affect performance. If I let go of the steering wheel, this truck stays straight in the lane. Our oil pressure gauge is working, showing about 50 psi. It's like 40 to 50. Fuel gauge is showing all the way full. That may not be accurate. Temp gauge is showing all the way to cold. That is not accurate. The battery gauge is charging just about halfway. And the speedometer is working well. Really cool looking factory tachometer. There's no needle movement on it, but that is a cool tach. The unit under the dash does blow air. I'm not able to test the air conditioning due to the temperatures today, but it does move air. This truck corners as you would expect for a 64 Chevy truck. We have a red and white vinyl bench seat in this truck. It is comfortable. One sun visor for the driver. Really a smooth running truck. Rides nice on the highway, absorbs the bumps very well. Head over to uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all the pictures and video of this truck.